Hi friends, I've brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Orno Rapid. Orno Rapid has 8 milligrams of Lornoxicam in it. It's made by Sami Pharmaceuticals. The box has 10 tablets and the price for the box is 170 rupees. Lornoxicam, also known as chlortinoxicam, is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug of the oxycam class with analgesic, pain relieving and anti-inflammatory and antipyretic fever reducing properties. It is available in oral and parenteral formulation. It was patented in 1977 and approved for medical use in 1997. Lornoxicam is used for the treatment of various types of pain, especially resulting from inflammatory diseases of the joints, osteoarthritis, surgery, sciatica and other inflammations. This drug is contraindicated in patients who must not take other NSAIDs. Possible reasons including salicylate sensitivity, gastrointestinal bleeding and bleeding disorders. Lornoxicam is not recommended during pregnancy and breastfeeding and is contraindicated during the last third of pregnancy. Lornoxicam has side effects similar to other NSAIDs, most commonly mild ones like gastrointestinal disorders, nausea and diarrhea, and headache. Severe but seldom side effects include bleeding, bronchospasms, and the extremely rare Stevens-Johnson syndrome. You can use this medication twice a day, with or without food. Follow the directions on your prescription label carefully and ask your doctor about any information that you do not understand. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.